These are the condensing units for this one's downstairs, this one's upstairs. This is 3-ton, this is 4-ton, they're properly fused. All of the condensing units have the same issues, except for the other condensing unit, the primary, its disconnect is not, actually this one and this one, the primary and this one, the disconnects are to the sides. This one's over to the side, but it's between the two. It's real iffy. I'm saying it's behind the units. These disconnects, electric disconnects, they should be sealed on 3 sides. They help prevent moisture from getting into them. Our condensing units are supposed to be elevated a minimum of 3 inches above grade. This is all 3 of them. They're the wrong types of insulation. This is what this does. This is a more robust insulation. We're supposed to have anti-theft Schrader valve caps right there and right there. Of course, we can see the same thing going on right here. No anti-theft Schrader valve caps. Missing insulation, no insulation. This is our data plate. This is our data plate. Now, we should have an electric receptacle outlet over here so we can service this unit. These units. So, East condensing units do not have an electric service receptacle. All 3 of these systems. Okay, we've got 2 3-tons and 1 4-ton. 1 4-ton for upstairs, 2 3-tons for downstairs. And all 3 of these systems are relatively young, like between 6 and 4 years old. All 3 of them have R410A refrigerant in them. R410A refrigerant. No longer manufactured in the United States, no longer imported legally in the United States. Do they have stockpiles of it? You bet they do. And as the stockpiles diminish, the price is going to come up. The price is going to come up. So that's something to think about until you want to service these units. These units are engineered on paper to last 20 years. Las Vegas is going to give you 14. It might last 30 years for all I know, and I hope it does. But Las Vegas is going to give you 14 years. So if this unit over here is 6 or 7 years old, it's middle-aged. It's 6 years old, but it's middle-aged. Its disconnect is to the side. Disconnect needs to be sealed. It does have electric service receptacles. It does not have Schrader valve caps. It does have Schrader valve caps. It's just not the right type. I guess I can't even see in there. Maybe it doesn't. And has the wrong type of foam insulation. So that's what we learned on all 3 units. We learned they're between 4 and 6 years old. They're properly fused in the breaker boxes. They have 410A refrigerant in them, but all 3 are not elevated high enough. All 3 have the wrong kind of foam, and all 3 of them do not have the right types of Schrader valve caps.